Good afternoon. My name is Scott Rudler, Chief Strategic Officer at T3Live.com. Welcome to today's recap and look ahead.
观众朋友们，大家好，欢迎收看今天的节目，我是主持人林健，在纽约向您问好。美股周二继续上涨，美联储主席耶伦在国会证词当中表示，如果美国经济继续的平稳运行，那么适当的加息将会是合理且正当的。昨天，特朗普行情卷土重来，带来了一波向上的行情，其中标普500指数的市值有史以来首次达到了20万亿美元，这是相当可观的。而今天市场则更加关注美联储主席耶伦在国会证词上的讲话。耶伦表示，如果美国经济继续的平稳运行的话，那么适当的加息将会是合理且正常的。他非常看好美国目前的经济，认为美国经济将会平稳的运行，这也使美联储能够循序渐进的加息。而在接下来的多次会议当中，美联储将会观察公布的经济数据，看看劳动力市场的就业状况是否平稳的运行有所好转，看看通货膨胀是否保持在央行所设定的2%的目标以内。如果是的话，那么他认为联储的适当加息将会是合理且正当的。另外，美国独立企业联合会宣布，美国1月份的小企业信心指数保持了美国总统11月8号大选之后的上涨趋势，这就预示着小企业主们对美国的经济仍然感到十分的乐观，认为在10月8号美国总统当选之后，美国的经济仍然会向好。而在政治因素方面，周一晚间，美国的安全顾问迈克尔·弗林被迫的辞职，而这是因为有人指责他与俄罗斯的官员有联系，这也就使得有可能造成了特朗普当选以来第一次比较严重的政治危机。而在个股方面，美国国际集团与华实集团都将在周二盘后公布最新的财报数据。好的，更多的消息，让我们来听一下今天的交易员访谈。Hi Scott, the U.S. stock trade higher on Tuesday as investors digest the testimony from Yellen, and it's really hawkish. So what do you think of stock today?
Well, I think a lot of people thought the market would pause,
Yeah.
and then it doesn't do what everyone thinks, and
Right.
the S&P is still stair-stepping higher. If you look here at the chart of the S&P cash, very impressive. Here was that inflection point post-election. It sold off a little bit before it, bounced back after, cleared this descending trend line, and we've been in this accelerated trend since, which means try and be long, not short. Then last week, boom, this was a great spot to get long, okay, right here when you had this red dog reversal, then cleared this pivot, and now look. So at this point, I think it's kind of hard to be long the S&P. I think at this point, just like yesterday, you could have been short a little spiders versus individual stocks, but at this point, the trend is still your friend. And tomorrow we'll see whether or not we can continue above today's high. And at this point, a little extended, but still no sign of a pullback yet. And there's lots of opportunities in various sectors.
And I remember yesterday you said if Yellen's comments were a little bit hawkish, the bank sector will move higher. And it seemed like today it did. So what do you think of the bank sector?
Well, it's good to be prepared.
Yeah.
And every week I feel like we go over different sectors with different opportunities. And I focused on the banks this week because they had really nice technical setups. And then a catalyst, meaning if Yellen was hawkish, good for the banks, put it together, and boom. Okay, I think I've been long Bank of America since last week. And then I showed you guys this 3-month channel here. Well, we talk about a tier system. What a nice trade. In tier 1 in this base. And then once it got above 2350, 2355, you could have bought more, and then boom, tier 2, and then maybe on the close back to tier 1. That's how you make cash flow. We talked about get above 2350, you could be at 24 plus. Well, that happened. Okay, you look at some other names also in the banks, you could have chosen anyone. Okay, Goldman Sachs cleared this prior high, looking good, looks like it'll be 250 plus. And then JP Morgan, all-time highs. Okay, I did not go with this one, but it's in my note every day. A lot of people were long it, and if that's you, congratulations. They cleared this pivot, nice trade. At this point, it's already above the channel. Time to trim and trail. Time to get excited is when it's ready to clear this. Not now. Now's the time to take some profits and stay with some if you have the stomach for it.
And also, Apple set another record high today, and you said the tech sector was really healthy. It's be above the 8 and 21 days. So what do you think of the tech sector?
Just continues to go. Okay, and at this point, if you look for a cute short, you better make sure you have a level to cover against because it could make you ugly. Now, I am not in Apple, but it's good to see that something like Apple could continue to the upside. We talked about getting long versus the gap up on earnings, or when it cleared this inside pivot to go to the upside. It's still trending. If you're in it, my 2017 report said it can get to 142 to 144. If you're sitting in it, congratulations. I am not long it. I'm going to wait for a setup, or I'm just going to let it go. That's what you have to do here. If you're not in something and it's extended, do not chase it. If you miss the setup, wait for the next one.
Tomorrow we will have the retail sale and the CPI, so hopefully tomorrow we'll have some good news.
Yes, and we'll see what effect it has on some of the smaller retailers, and we'll also see, everyone loves to see what Amazon's doing. At this point, Amazon to me is acting much healthier. If Amazon could stay above the 8-day and build an upper area, perhaps we will see a new high trade above 843. At this point, it already filled the gap, and now with a little sideways action, it can get above this 843 for new all-time highs. Stay tuned as this is setting up.
Hope every day have some good news, and for today, hope the investor just enjoyed Valentine's Day.
Yes, go out and enjoy the evening, as that's what's important in life. Enjoying yourself, your family, your loved ones. The market will be here tomorrow. Just make sure you're prepared for it.
好的，感谢您收看今天的节目，我们明天再见。